children, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. I am here, your English teacher. So today we are going to start our work in our course book. Beta, new chapter will start today. That is chapter number 9, the parade. Okay. But before starting the chapter, let us have some introduction of the chapter. That what we will do in this chapter. First of all, the name of the chapter is the parade. Now, what is this parade? Okay, so parade means march past. I hope you have seen in your school during the house meet also, and march past was there. Means when students are walking with left, right, left, that just like this they are walking together. Okay, then they are giving salute also to that head of the school and like that. So that is called parade. But here in this chapter today we will discuss about a different type of parade. Okay, that is held during the celebration of Republic Day and Independence Day. Okay, so means during the celebration of Republic Day and Independence Day, first of all, what is this Republic and Independence Day, beta? So see, Independence Day means when we got freedom from the Britishers. Okay, when the Britishers went away from our country. Okay, अंग्रेज हमारे देश को छोड़ के चले गए थे, हमारा देश आज़ाद हुआ था. That is 15 August 1947. We got freedom. Okay, and that day is celebrated as Independence Day. Okay, now after that Republic Day. What is this Republic Day, beta? Republic Day means when we get our rights. Our constitution was made. Okay, in our constitution our rights are written, that what are the rights, what are duties, that all things are mentioned in a constitution. It is a very big book. Okay, now look at it, lot of time. Now you are very young students, so later on you will know about this constitution, but you should know that what is the constitution. That so that came into effect on this Republic Day actually. Earlier it took, I think, 2 years and 11 months, I think. Okay, it took this much time to make the constitution, that what things should be written in that, or what are our rights and all these things. It was a long discussion, committee was there. Later on you will know about this. Okay, but I am just telling you that our constitution that came into effect on this day, on 26th January. So that's why 26th January is celebrated as a Republic Day. Okay, and in this chapter also we will discuss about that Republic Day only, that celebrations actually, that what type of celebrations are organized here. Okay, so first of all let us do that, read about the main contents, that what you have to do, my smart students. I hope you all know that you have to start new chapter from the left side of your notebook. Okay, so first of all write down main contents, afterwards new words that I'll provide you, and afterwards portrait, beautiful picture. This chapter is full of beautiful pictures, so you can make any one portrait of your own choice. Okay, see here, so whatever you like. I hope you will like all the portraits, but you have to make only one. Okay, and fill colors also. And next one is word buddy, that word meanings we will do. Afterward question answers. Next compound words that we will do in our workbook B. And afterwards use of ing form with was and word. As you all know that we are doing tenses, I think these days, no? So we will do this use of ing form also. Next week we will do this grammar part, don't worry. Okay, and after writing main contents, on the next page you will draw beautiful portraits. Okay, and after portrait we will start from the new page and we will do new words. Okay, so first word is P-A-R-A-D-E, parade. Beta, learn to break the word into syllables to avoid the spelling mistakes. Okay, if अगर आप इसी word को छोटा-छोटा break करके read करोगे तो you will improve your reading skills also and writing also. आपको लिखने में spelling mistakes नहीं होंगी. See, P-A-R-A-D-E, parade. What is parade? Next one, republic. Republic. What is republic? Next one, N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National. What is national? A-N-T-H-E-M. Anthem. national anthem. Next, short. S-H-O-W, S-H-O-W, show. It is S-H-O-W-E-R, short and E-D, short. What is short? Next one, petals. I will tell you the meanings also later on. P-E-T-A-L-S, petals. Next one, rumbling. What's this? Rumbling. R-U-M-B-L-I-N-G, rumbling. Trumpets. What's this? Trumpets. What's this? Trumpets. Next one, floats. Beta, what's this? Floats. Next, scientists. S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S-T-S, scientists. Next one, rockets. This is rockets. So like this you have to read the spellings properly and underline these words in your course book. Okay, chapter number 9. So tomorrow we will do the word video of this chapter. So stay tuned and be excited. Tomorrow we will do the word buddy. So thank you children. Bye bye. Be happy and be safe.